Hello 11th class. So this is your subject reasoning. In this class we will discuss holiday homework solution. So the question number 1 is statements. Some papers are pens. All the pencils are pen. So the conclusion is some pens are pencil and some pens are paper. So here you have to give the answer. So the answer of this question is E part. Now question number 2 is also statement conclusion based question. So the answer is E part. Now question number 3 has a sitting arrangement question. You have to read the question and then give the answer. So the answer is third option, that Todd is in between Paul and Jack. Now question number 4 is also a statement and argument based question. So here the answer, that is option A. Now question number 5, that is also again statement argument question and you know how to solve it. So the answer is B part. Now question number 6 has an alphabetical series. 6 and 7 both has the alphabetical series. You have to see the question and then just find that what word will come next. So the answer is A part. So the answer is A part. Now next is question number 7. You have to read the question and then give the answer. So here the answer is D. Now question number 8. You have to question number 8 and 9 has a number series. So you have to see the pattern carefully and then give the answer. So the question number 8 has a pattern. You have 5 options. So you have to just check that which option is correct. Answer is option B. Now question number 9 also has a number series. So you have to find the answer, that is E part. Now question number 10 to 14. So these are the jumbled word question. Okay. So question number 10 is heroism is the brilliant triumph of the soul over. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 10. Now question number 11. They hardly have to read anything. Now question number 12. Good reading material is necessary for good education. Question number 13. The printing has come to a standstill due to the cost of paper. Question number 14 is also jumbled word. The answer is palaces are usually built by powerful and wealthy people such as kings. Now question number 5 is question number 15. So in question number 15 you have a string. You have a string and in this you have to write this string by this way. Like this one is written as this one. This one is written as this one. And this one is and you have to find the code for this. Okay, so the answer is D part, that is March, August. Now question number 16. So in question number 16 you have a certain code, means 29 means you are bad, 419 means bad is good and 195 means nothing is bad. So the blank that represent R is, you have to find the blank the answer for this blank. So the answer is D part, that is either B or C. Now question number 17. So in this the certain code is hatch, that is written as this, and the trap is written as this. So how is patch written as in this code? Okay, so the answer is D part. Now question number 18. If in a certain code left is written as right, and how will wrong be written in that code? So the answer is B part, that is correct. So these are the opposites, that's why the answer is B part. Now question number 19. If in a certain code bridge is written as this, then how will lesson be written in that code? So you have to find the correct option, that is A part. Question number 20 also is same like 19. So here also you have to read the question and then give answer. The answer is A part. I hope these questions are clear now. So you have to match the questions with your answer and then just check that how many questions are correct. So thank you and have a nice day.